Welcome to mtstechnik. My name is Kacper, I am an engineer here, and in this video I'd like to present the coilover suspension kit designed for the 7th generation Honda Civic in all body styles. This set consists of front and rear threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, all featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhance the ease of adjusting your suspension height. It's also worth mentioning that front shock absorbers utilize a 25mm piston rod to avoid the guides getting damaged. Also, the rear shock absorbers feature a sleeve to ensure better tightening in case of worn rear top mounts. The springs are manufactured by a German company, eibach. These are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics, and their internal diameter of 60mm in the front and 70mm for the rear springs allow for very easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. More so, our kit comes in with 4 helper springs to provide preload for the main spring. Our kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers on front and rear struts, as well as black anodized aluminum spring caps. In the package, you will find 2 types of front spring caps. Which ones to use depends on your top mount. It is worth mentioning the option of ordering this kit with dedicated camber plates or to buy them separately. Our camber plates allow for easy adjustment of camber and caster angles. They are made of black anodized aluminum and steel and feature a uniball bearing, ensuring rigidity and reliability. Our kits are delivered to you with an adjustment wrench, 2 mtstechnik stickers and any necessary documentation. Thanks for your attention.